what's up? It's Anne. Welcome or welcome back to another video. So, today, sobrang karat ng background ko because today is the start. Siguro compilation lang to ng mga preparation for my birthday. Today is December 21st and my birthday is on December 29, so T-8 days. And sa totoo lang, ang prepared pa lang is lights and sounds and DJ because I rented those. Food, we have like a very vague plan of what we want for food. Gusto ko pika-pika lang, charcuterie board. There's a bunch of like snacks na pwedeng kainin. A sweet corner definitely, which is sponsored by my tita. So if you guys are interested in having your own sweet corner for your parties around Subic and Pampanga, then make sure to I'm gonna insert the link on the description box. And she makes some amazing yummy desserts, and so we have that. And then for the main food, pasta lang, because different types of pasta, so yung mga madaling kainin lang because it's more of a party talaga. So hindi kami magsaserve ng mahirap kainin, yung mga fast lang nakainin yung pasta para lang yun kapag, you know, late na talaga lang at night and everyone, most of the people have gone home and then we're just drunk and we want to eat. Yun, for that talaga yung yung pasta. But other than that, pika-pika lang talaga. And then what else? The designs, let me show you guys. I'm gonna insert my mood board for my birthday. And then for my outfit, I haven't really done anything for my outfit yet, to be honest. I do have a fabric that I'm gonna show you guys later, but let me show you guys what I'm doing. I'm doing the backdrop. So for the backdrop, I want this fringe backdrop. This is what we're working with. So magiging double yan. Maglalagay pa ako ng isang cardboard box here na ganyan kalaki. And then magiging parang ganun din siya, pa-V. So ayan, fringe backdrop. I'm using 6 colors. So, ganito siya gawin, guys. Mahabang tape. And then, for this types, kailangan mo talaga siyang isa-isahin. But, for ganito, nakaganyan na siya, oh. Ginupit-gupit ko na lang. This is, by the way, this type. Let me show you. I ordered all of this on Shopee. So, yung curtain, alam niyo naman na yan, yung foil fringe curtain. And then, ito, yung plastic table cover siya actually, and then ginupit-gupit ko lang siya into that. And then ano pa ba yung mga in-order ko? So, I ordered this balloons, yung mga may parang metallic thingy on the inside. Insert ko yung photo ng set na in-order ko. Ito mga disco balls na gold. Dami pa yun. Ang dami itong ganito. Kasi syempre, disco yung party. Oh! I don't think I even mentioned the theme of my party is 70's disco. So, kaya mga ganyan yung color. Kaya madaming ganito. Ayun o. And then, yung metallic na silver na balloon, of course. Ayan, ang dami ko pang ano. And then, ito, ilalagay ko siguro to sa mga tables nung DJ, pang cover. Parang metallic din siya na silver na glittery. And then, ayan, di ko alam kung enough na yung balloon, pero pwede naman kung bumili at order pa. Pero madami to eh. By the way, ito yung fabric na binili ko. So, syempre, pink na sequins para cute, diba? So, ayan o, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng fabric. And para sa mga iconic look ni Cher. And I love Cher. I mean, I have that poster. Mom, I am a rich man. So, AJ got me flowers for my birthday. Hello po. Thank you. Oh my God. birthday! Ma! AJ. For my birthday.
Saka alam ko, tinanong ko niya sa ka-address natin.
Tignan mo naman, nakalagay pa, Anmondido. Ang feel!
Naiinis ako ang feeling ng pero akala mo si Hard.
Guys, look. It's red flowers with white. I think that's... I don't know what that flower is actually. Wow, thanks babe. And nalaglag yung letter. But here it is. Let's read it. Sending you my heart. I love you and I appreciate all your hard work. You're literally the best. Happy birthday, maybe. Mahal kita, girl. Hi, Susie. We're going to SNR and Marquee to buy some final things for my birthday and to buy alcohol, the most important thing. Kasi pag walang alak, walang bisita. Yun lang yung habol ng mga bisita ko. And this is the fit. And that's perfect. Okay, so mag-drive na ako. I will update you guys when we get to SNR. Bye! Bye! Ito na yung nakuha namin so far. Smirnoff pala. Looking for Cuervo. Date, paalis na din kami ng SNR kasi out of stock yung Cuervo. Walang Absolute, walang Bacardi, wala ding cold cuts. Konti lang din yung cheese option. As in, ubos na sila. So, punta kaming Marquee sa SM. And then kayo maghahanap. Pag-call ako mamaya. Guys, update. It's the next day. I'm so stressed. It's 10:22 a.m. Girl, I have 36 hours, not even 36 hours to do the things that I need to do kasi we have a shoot today with Mutianing Angeles and Mutianing Kapampangan, the winner. That's gonna take obviously the whole day. That's gonna eat up my whole day from 2 p.m. onwards. So, pag uwi namin dito, start kami mag-pump ng balloons. Siguro, baka doon na kami matulog sa villa kasi walang guest today. So, me and Charles is a workmate of mine from ACES and he's here because of the shoot para tulungan ako sa shoot. And, tulungan niya ako. Wala siyang choice kundi tulungan ako mag-pump ng balloon mami. Diba yung bisita ko, pinag-pump ko ng balloon. Well, girly, that's what friends are for. So yun, kagabi, sobrang late ko na nakauwi kagabi. Parang 2 a.m. na ako nakauwi. Hinatid ko kasi si Mar. 1 a.m. kami natapos doon, tapos hinatid ko si Mar. Sumuwi ako. Tapos ang tagal nabuksan ng gate. So mga 2 a.m. na ako. Tapos mga around 4 a.m. na ako nakatulog. And gumising ako 7. Tulog ulit ako hanggang mga 9. So parang putol-putol na 5 hours yung sleep. And tonight, I don't know how much sleep I'm gonna get. So I'm really stressed just thinking about the whole day until like my next 48 hours. I just know it's gonna be really stressful. Or at least my next 24 hours is really gonna be very, very stressful. And I don't even wanna think about it. But I'm also an overthinker. Party planning is a pain in the ass, and also like I still need to sew the clothes I'm gonna wear, my outfit for tomorrow. I cut it up last night, sewing it later. It's a lot. I still have so much things to do, but obviously priority pa din is the shoot because I said yes to it. So now it's my responsibility to focus all of my energy on that first. So punta tayong Marquee, bili tayo ng iba pang kailangan, and then I'll talk to you guys after ng shoot na. We're here at the liquor area. Getting Cuervo. Cuervo po.
Ay, wala kang stock sa Cuervo. Ay, ito Bacardi ako.
Meron kami ma'am yung sombrero. Tequila bowl.
Ayan na lang. Ano pa iba yung tequila?
Yun lang local dun ma'am, yung mojito.
Oh no.
Oh no. Kasi
Sana nawala na lang lahat ng lang Cuervo.
ito ba yung bibili natin ata? Yung dito din?
If spring is the season that wakes me alive, then fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh, yeah. I don't know what is it exactly in this time of year that makes the melancholy me reappear. Oh, yeah. Back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt mist and sea, sand and ember trees. 'Cause it still feels like summer, but it's soaked in nostalgia slowly. All the leaves they're turning brown. 'Cause it still feels like summer, and I simply don't wanna see the cool wind sneak back in our town. 'Cause we lived when it was out bare feet, tan skin glistening beneath the heat, evening swirl into a bird song beat. God, it's now so very bittersweet. So I guess I'll just put on my favorite sweater and say goodbye.